Greetings to all Nigerians. Greetings to all members of Nigeria Rise Initiative. My names are Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the President of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. Please permit me to speak in a way that all Nigerians will understand, both the learned and the unlearned. Thank you. My people, I greet you now. And I thank every one of you now where they do things correct for this country. I say, may God bless every one of you now. He get with him, carry me, come make this broadcast. I use this opportunity to make I ask Nigerian people whether we they think at all. Nigerian people, why be say every little thing they deceive us? Why be say every little things they make us go they carried away? This our over sense they kill us so. They kill us so much. Over sense they kill us. Make we think. Now this same over sense we kill our forefathers. Now that same over sense now we still carry they come and the thing they destroy us well. My brothers and sisters, now make I come tell our people this truth. Make we stop to deceive ourselves. Make we tell ourselves truth. I believe say go help us. Nigeria Rise Initiative. No be initiative of tribe, no be initiative of religion. This initiative, now the initiative of all Nigerians coming together to do things right. So if you never join, make you join. This initiative platform is the biggest global platform at this moment all over the world. This is the biggest platform waiting for the world right now, where people they come together in millions to discuss. All Nigerians, both for home and for in diaspora, they come together for here. They contribute their minds. My brothers and sisters, because the hour don't reach where we say we're going to tell ourselves simple truths. Make we stop to do things as people where they cause. God give us little sense. Make we use those little sense to save this country. It not mean say you must to go school, get all the qualification, come become doctor or professor before you will get common sense. It gets sense where God give us from Peking. Make we use that. And that sense, now is to make all Nigerians put together. This thing where they happen for Nigeria today, na better thing. 215. Now so we they cry. We need change. This country no good. Hey, they don't do this one to us. So, hey, blah, blah, blah. We talk all the things with our mouths. We cry. Finally, we get Muhammad Buhari. Now, too many killing can start. The change what we seek for, no be the kind change what we can't get. Rice no the let person buy. Poor man no fit survive again. Killing everywhere. They changed Boko Haram to S-men. For the first time for history, where cow come better pass human being. Where they come to say, if you kill one cow, they go kill 250 people. Now nothing go happen. And they do it for Plateau State. They show say the number one citizen for this country na cow. A government where no value human life, na cow na value. My brothers and sisters, we they cry they come since then. For Enugu State, now so people they die. 200 and something, they die. Different communities they shout, S-men here, S-men here. This government no go talk about that. Our president no go talk about that. My brothers and sisters, Nigeria people, we don't cry. God come do am, come say this period of time don't reach, where the masses will come together, decide their fate, vote at the government where they don't want, may they vote new government. Time don't reach where we go take save this country. Now confusion they start now. Many of us must ask, which confusion? This thing where they spread everywhere, even those who say they get sense, where they say they be doctors, where they say be lawyer, some say they be professor, some say they go school, they carry book for it, they read history. My brother, Now we wan carry confusion come take distract our attention to do the right thing. This news wey dey spread say Muhammadu Buhari don die, why we no go leave am? Why we no go leave this news, focus on the rating, vote him out? Okay, make I ask Nigerian people, if Muhammadu Buhari don true die, now this discussion, na what we dey discuss, na go be solution. If na true say Muhammadu Buhari don die, na to dey talk am, na be solution, not be solution. Solution be say make we as a people, make we discuss on how to vote this man out. You know, since we dey talk on this matter, the man know dey talk. You know why he know dey talk? Because number one, all the things wey we dey talk for this country, they work for his own favor. He want make we remain for this confusion till the time of election. They don't plan their own. Nigerian people, what is our plan? Who wake up in the morning, go jump, go media, go talk to you. This one will go talk to you. This one will go talk to you. Confusion just dey fool people head. You go for your beer parlor, you go see say two men they fight. What thing happen? This one say Buhari don't die. This one say Buhari never die. You go for market, the woman go say this one don't die. This one say never die. My brothers and sisters. Again, another one don't rise up. Say Muhammadu Buhari say they go France, he no go France. All this confusion we put for our head. Now wiseness, say after we see all these things, we can't declare say no voting. No voting a solution. No voting na solution. Man tell na the truth. Any man will say no voting, the person only they tell us say make Muhammadu Buhari continuous leadership. And anybody where they promote no voting for Nigeria, I tell you the truth, you are not doing Nigeria any good. Because the man where you call fake, say na impostor. The man where you say don't die, the man opportunity they will go take vote and come out, make it come become ordinary man, we will go now judge him. The same man you say make nobody follow and vote, make it continue in leadership. Make I tell Nigeria people this truth. If Muhammadu Buhari come back to sit, we all go suffer. This time the man keep quiet. If they form goodmalism, make it they come back to sit. If Muhammadu Buhari come back to sit, my brother, na there they go come pull law, say, if you call, say Muhammadu Buhari don't die, death sentence. If you say Muhammadu Buhari na Jubri, death sentence. If you say Muhammadu Buhari no good, life imprisonment. My brother, if they do all this in that time, wait till you go talk. You just forget say you be ordinary person. Make we stop all this confusion language. Make we vote Muhammadu Buhari come out. Now this Nigeria just need. The world they watch us. They wonder which kind of person we be. Now the world is tired about us. The place where we go put A, we will go put B. Where we supposed to put B, we will go put C. Where we supposed to put C, we will put D. We dey confused. Why? Why we no go forget all this? Muhammadu Buhari don't die. Muhammadu Buhari no go France. Muhammadu Buhari no sleep in room. Muhammadu Buhari sleep in house. Muhammadu Buhari no go office. Leave am. We don't agree say Muhammadu Buhari don't die. The man we did na fake. We don't agree. Now, the major thing what we need to do now, we say make we focus on voting time, election time. Make we vote at Muhammadu Buhari. Now me, Sir Weston Henry Chukwudi, they beg all Nigerians, say, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we don't take proper studies of what they happen for this country. We can't discover, say, all this youth party, no be am. All this youth party, we no need them. The Showorel, Kisley Mongulo, Donaduko, all these people, we no need them. You know why? All these people, when they call their name, they good though. But the truth be say, 219, none of them get the strength to force at Muhammadu Buhari. They don't get the strength. Leave what they use my talk. Talk now free. They don't get the strength of APC. They don't get them. Nigeria Rise Initiative, now the people's voice. We they build the masses power. We can say which party we go choose. They push Muhammadu Buhari come out. The only party we fit for now, na PDP. Now we say make all Nigerians with our beg, make we vote PDP for now. Underline the word for now. Vote PDP for now. Vote Atiku for now. Make we use this strength. Push out this man where we say don't die. This man where we call fake. This man where we say if they watch all Nigerians they die. This man where you know they talk say Nigerians dead they touch her for body. This man where change Boko Haram to S-men. Make we use PDP push and come out. Make we give PDP must vote. Make we not scatter our vote. Make I tell Nigerian people this truth. All these young people president when are they here? Young people presidential aspirants where they everywhere, where they jump. All of them, APC don't pay them. APC don't pay them. APC now they sponsor all these young people's votes to scatter election. APC they very, very happy for this confusion where they among us. Buhari don't die. Buhari na impostor. APC they very happy. Buhari na the happiest man at this moment. Make una continue the talk, now in they pray. Make una not think of election, now in Mohammed the Buhari they talk. But they beg una make una come back. Bring your mind back. Let us stay focused. Our focus na the election. Let the masses demonstrate their rights. This is our time. Vote at Mohammed the Buhari. Vote at APC. I beg una. We no one come they argue again. We don't tire for this argument. Say Buhari don't die, Buhari no die, Buhari don't die, Buhari. So they children use until they play. We no want them again. Make we stay focused. Make nothing confuse us. Make we not deceive ourselves with all this small language. I beg Nigerians. I beg. Make we stay focused. Make we not deceive ourselves for this country. The thing they destroy us. Ain't no good now. Ain't no good. We just wake up, go talk your own. Confusion go full everywhere. It no dey good. Now beg we dey beg. Nigeria Rise Initiative, we don't vow say, now the thing wey good for Nigeria, we go dey talk. If we stand up, they lie, God go punish us. We no fit deceive Nigerian people. The good thing wey we need to do for ourselves now, vote at Mohammed Buhari. That man wey dey there, the impostor wey dey there, the man wey don't die wey dey there. Once we vote and come out, he go come be ordinary person. That time we go know who he be. But now when they power, you no go fit do anything. Now talk, you just dey talk. Cha 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 cha. Now match we dey. The only power we will get now your PVC. Use them wisely. Vote at this government. Make we get time to re-strategize this country. Come out with another plan. Now we say vote Atiku, vote PDP. Now then get the structure where you go fit counter APC. My brothers and sisters, person wey carry HIV go dey drink Panadol. Panadol no fit stand HIV, but Panadol na medicine. They get virus where you go take, where you go fit stand HIV. For now, underline my word. PDP na strong virus wey fit stand APC virus. I beg, make we use our sense. Common sense wey God give us, make we use them. Make we stop all this joke. We just dey mess up ourselves in the name of our sense. In the name of our sense. The man wey say die, make we vote and come out, you say no election. Na better thing you dey do. Na better thing. So you want me that man continue for another 4 years? You want me that man continue for another 4 years? Chai. If not good luck, why if you go say there is God though? Now I beg every one of us, make we vote right. Vote at this leadership and do what is right. Nigeria Rise Initiative is the initiative that is bringing all Nigerians together. We are not tribalistic. We are not supporting any religion. We are pure Nigerian voice, building the masses' power. When we finish building the masses' power from federal to local government distinct groups, my brother, when our structure as the masses done strong, we can fall down any government wey no good for the people. This country is poor today because the masses know they talk. The masses know they talk. But now, Nigeria Rise Initiative say the masses go to talk. So if you never join us, this is an opportunity. Join us now. Join us with this number. +601 135 483 733. Again, +601 135 483 733. Join us. Hundreds of people they join every day. This is not the biggest platform in the world. I dey tell you the truth. We dey bring Nigerians together, both home and in the diaspora. My brothers and sisters, this is an opportunity where Nigerians where they outside this country, outside Nigeria, and those where they inside Nigeria. Now the platform will bring them together. People they contribute. Join, contribute. Maybe now your contribution will save this country. Let us contribute wisely. Let us stop all this argument of nonsense arguments where you know they help us. Make we stay focused. Waiting Nigeria they face now election time. Make we all know in election. Now election now be the time we would need to discuss. Anybody where you want to talk, make it talk about election. Make it talk on what we need to do. My brothers and sisters, vote out Muhammadu Buhari. Vote at APC now. And the only party that has the virus to stand APC in this 2019, my brother, if the masses can join this party, we can push out Muhammadu Buhari. That is PDP. I beg every one of us. I beg the Hausa people. I beg the Yoruba people. I beg the Igbo people. Let us vote wisely. And two, Hausa people, the Shite, please stop those fights. When are they fight for there now? Mumu fight. No be now where we won't start vote and I won't start to do riot. Hausa people, stop those violence. Every Shite man, stop those violence. Now Mumu thing now they do. Muhammadu Buhari know they come there. The man where your friend know they come that place. Una just they kill yourself with soldiers. Una they grace. Go take your PVC, vote him out. If we don't vote at Muhammadu Buhari, we will get chance to re-strategize. We will tell ourselves what we will do next. But for the now, vote at Muhammadu Buhari. Make we leave all this confusion language where they come Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari this, Muhammadu. And so Muhammadu Buhari come the important. Muhammadu, my brothers and sisters, if we know say the man no good, make we vote and out come out now. That one is a simple thing. Vote and come out. I been at all we will carry guns. Now what you define? Make we start fight. My brother, war no go help us. War no go help us. Make we no fight war. I beg. People will never see war before, and then the ginger for war. War no go help us. I beg every one of us. And God will bless us as we start to think right. My name still remains the same, Sir Wilson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. And they use this opportunity, they beg every one of us when they listen to this message. If you there for Nigeria, all our states for Nigeria, both federal capital, my brother, Nigeria Rise Initiative, they there. Go join the meeting, I beg. Join the meeting. We still they build the people's voice. Time they come where we go strike. For now, join the meeting. Make you know what thing they happen. Join the meeting. If you don't know what you go do, contact us. Say where the meeting day we will direct you. Go join the meeting now. I beg you. For all the states a day. Now we they break into local government, states, every corner. Join for your own state. Join for your local government. Make your own branch they strong. Nigeria Rise Initiative now the voice of all Nigerians coming together. The time is coming where we shall stand. Any government way enter, even 2 years, 1 year, he no do well. We stand up as a people say, come down, he go come down. That country now by force we go do them. And the power, they with the masses, we can make it happen. I beg every one of us, let us begin to do things right, and God will help us. God will see us through. God bless all Nigerians. God bless Nigeria Rise Initiative. We can make this country great again. God bless us all. Please, if you have not joined us with that number. And God will bless you. Thank you very much.